Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we will be showing off my turret. Alright, be back in a sec. Alright, it's loaded. Let's get it to try. Let's try it out. Alright, first we're going to show you the things it can do from here. First, you can spin around and twist. You can move the barrels up and down. And of course, you can shoot them. There's like a ton of rounds in here, as you can see. First one, I already launched the second one. Third one, and if you want some outside view, that's what it looks like when it shoots. And I'm not going to shoot all of them right now, of course, but let's see. Turret. Oh yeah, the sign. Alright, we're gonna bring out the sign right now. This is an MG turret. And it's made for like a group. Alright, I'm gonna get a nice screenshot of this. Okay. There we go, got that. And that's it for now with that one. We go down here. You can see we have this thing right here. And then this is where the inner sign is. You can push this out. There's like a little thing right here where you can launch missiles. Uh-oh, I dropped that. You can launch dynamite and stuff. And then you can go back. It's a lock door, so only I can go in there if somebody else is on the team. Let's shoot something else. I don't know why it shot 2 there, but it's fine. And that is my turret. See you in the next one. Peace.